Hello everyone, let us continue. So in the last class we saw that what is this LWE problem, and now let us start with RLWE. What is this RLWE problem? I'll just quickly repeat what is this LWE problem. It was introduced in 2005 by Regev, and given an integer q and Gaussian distribution, and you are having this s as the secret vector, and you just have to distinguish between these two. Yeah, so what are these two distributions? The first one is taking this vector ei and bi sampled uniformly from zq n plus 1, and second one is this ei again sampled uniformly, but bi depends on this ei. What is this bi? This inner product of ei comma s plus ei. Okay, and the this is what decision LWE problem is. Can you able to distinguish between these two? Okay, and one more variant is search variant LWE. That means if you are given so many collection of this type of keys, can you get the value of s? Search variant of LWE would be find the value of s from arbitrarily many pair of this ai and bi. Okay, see, this is very hard problem, that's why it was used in cryptography. Next is RLWE, that is ring learning with error. Ring learning with error. It is similar to the previous one. And it was introduced in 2000, I think 2010. And it was introduced by Lubatsky, Pickard, and Regev. Okay. So what happens in this? Let us see. Now let us consider a ring. I am having a ring. R is equal to ZQX by x raised to n plus 1. This is the ring with n a power of 2 and an error distribution. Error distribution, say chi over r, that is concentrated on small element. It should have small element, and every element of r, what do you see? Every element of r is of degree n minus 1. That is quite simple one. Okay, so for s sampled uniformly from r, the decision, let us see what is decision. Decision RLWE is to distinguish between these two distributions. The first is a comma b, where a and b are sampled uniformly from r, where a and b are sampled uniformly from r. Okay, and second case again I am having A and B, but here your B depends on your A. With A again sampled from R and E from the distribution, set B is equal to A into S plus E. Okay, this is also hard problem. So what is this RLWE problem? Here you are having two polynomials given like this, A and B. You have to distinguish which one of them is this form. Are you able to distinguish these two? If you are given these two these two element, are you able to distinguish or not? That is the question. Okay, there is a quantum reduction of this problem to a hard problem in ideal lattices also. See, compared to LWE, in most cases n noisy LWE equation can be replaced by one noisy RLWE. Just write that. Compared to LWE, in most cases n noisy LWE equation can be replaced by one noisy RLWE. Equations, which improves efficiency, which obviously improves in terms of efficiency. Okay, so this was your learning with error and RLWE problem. There are so many different problems. There is additional, there is NTRU problem. I told you about multi-key FHE, so we are just heading towards that. Okay, thank you.